This could be the car for you. The 2018 Lincoln Continental. With less than 20,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. Here's a graceful, tech-rich Continental that's waiting to wrap you in luxury. This full-size sedan blends understated elegance, a host of amenities, modern connectivity, a smooth, spacious passenger experience, and the latest safety features to bring you the ultimate in comfort and security. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: keyless entry, backup camera, keyless start, power passenger seat, active suspension, heated mirrors, wood grain interior trim, remote engine start, satellite radio, aluminum wheels. The modern age blends perfectly with traditional luxury in this expansive Continental. See for yourself when you take it out for a test drive. Our professional staff looks forward to giving you excellent service.